Get ready, start. I am delighted to be in the Netherlands amongst all of you. It is a great pleasure for me to meet and greet our brothers and sisters in the Netherlands and connect in person with you. I thank you all for welcoming me with such warmth and affection. My state visit to the Netherlands marks an important milestone as we celebrate the 75th anniversary of the establishment of the diplomatic relations between India and the Netherlands this year. At the outset, let me also thank the government of the Netherlands for their generous hospitality. Yesterday, I met His Majesty King Willem Alexander and Her Majesty Queen Maxima and had good discussions with them on the way forward for our bilateral relations. King Willem was highly appreciative of the role that all of you have played in the Netherlands. He had kind words to say about your contribution to this great country and the decades old relationship with India. Earlier today, I had excellent exchange with Prime Minister Mark Rutte and it was a pleasure hearing similar accolade from him as well. During our luncheon meeting with the Prime Minister, he had also invited a few young entrepreneurs coming from India and working in the Netherlands. I am happy to share with you whatever they spoke about their growth stories. They were amazing and wonderful. India is proud of them and proud of all of you. It fills my heart with both pride and gratification. One may take an Indian out of India, but not India out of an Indian. I told those entrepreneurs that you live anywhere in the world, but don't forget your roots in India. While in last hundreds of years many Indians traveled abroad, India has always kept beating in their hearts, and proudly they kept alive Indian civilizational values in whichever part of the world they settled in. I am not surprised that wherever the people of Indian origin settled, they adapted to that place as their home and fully integrated with it. For the members of the Hindustani Suriname community, India remains the beloved cultural and spiritual home. Although our ancestors undertook their journey from India nearly 2 centuries ago, it is remarkable that you have kept alive the cultural heritage of India and nurtured it with your own unique traditions. I am happy to learn that you celebrate your festivals with as much enthusiasm and pride as any Indian. On Baisakhi, Holi, Shivratri, Diwali, Eid, and Christmas, you not only greet each other but also your Dutch friends and neighbors. The Netherlands is renowned for the tulips, but I am told they are not native to the Netherlands. They were brought from another land, they flourished here and are now a distinct aspect of this country. Just as you are great representative of this wonderful country, my Indian brothers and sisters. It is also apt that the joint logo for the celebrations of the 75th anniversary of establishment of diplomatic relationship was a tulip and a lotus as our primary symbols of friendship. You may have heard that on the 4th April, when I landed in the Netherlands, there was a program to visit tulip garden where a new variety of tulip developed by local authorities named Maitri was inaugurated by my wife. Our bilateral relations are underpinned by shared values of democracy, rule of law, equality, and respect for human rights. We are also witnessing a convergence on global challenges such as climate change, sustainable development, and terrorism. Over the past 7.5 decades, bilateral trade and investments between our two countries have grown remarkably. The Netherlands is now the third largest investor in India. Likewise, India is also emerging as one of the top investors in Netherlands. The Netherlands is a pioneer in water management and scientific know how. Last year, Prime Minister Modi and Prime Minister Rutte jointly launched the Indo Dutch Strategic Partnership on Water. Both sides are closely working together to implement several joint projects in this sector: agriculture, health, port and shipping, science and technology, higher education, and urban development have been identified as other priority areas of cooperation. Ladies and gentlemen, you are the representatives of a multi ethnic, diverse, and well respected Indian community in the Netherlands. Today, the Indian community in the Netherlands is the largest Indian origin diaspora in mainland Europe with more than 2 lakh members of Hindustani Suriname community and more than 60,000 Indian professionals and students. The Indian community is the most important pillar of growing India Netherlands bilateral relations and serves as a bridge between not just India and the Netherlands but between India and Europe. Thank you.